everyone, my name is Reema and I'm going to talk to you about how important stillness of the mind is towards becoming successful. Like everyone, the meaning of success has changed for me right from being at school. It was all about getting good grades, and after that it was about getting into a good college, getting a good job, having new personal relationships which are of course more positive and good for everybody around. It has been changing, and of course in today's competitive environment, many people are facing the stress of, I need to get into a good college, or if I'm going to get into some other college, what are people going to think of me? If I'm going to go somewhere, what are they going to talk about me? Everything depends, we always giving importance to what the other person is thinking of me, and the unnecessary list goes on. The list of worrying, the list of being tense and stressful, it just keeps going on. Eknath Easwaran has rightly said that, our mind is a bunch of drunken monkeys. It has so many thoughts which are comparable to a bunch of drunken monkeys, each one trying to climb over the other. All we need to do is relax and calm down. So I'd like to share a couple of my personal stories where 8-point program of Eknath Easwaran has really benefited me. The other day I was checking my email on my phone, and simultaneously I also received a WhatsApp and Facebook notification. Immediately my mind was going to those notifications. For example, if the plan is on, or where are we going, what are we going to do, which friend is going to come to pick me up. And for Facebook it was going to, who had liked or commented certain pictures which I had posted recently, what had someone had to say, and who had commented, and all of that. So I had to literally tell myself that, stop those thoughts. Those things can wait, because that's not so important. This email is important. Let me focus my one-pointed attention to this so that it can be successfully done. And another one that I wanted to tell you all was about how important it is to train your senses, and how, this especially helped me the other day when my nieces and nephews had come around to spend their summer vacation, and that was the only week that I was telling myself that I'm going to be off desserts and sweets for that 1 week. I've never really done this before, so it was very challenging for me, especially because every time the kids would want to snack on something sweet, or they'd want me to take them out for an ice cream or for a cold coffee, everything of which involved something sweet and sugary. So I actually surprisingly didn't get tempted, neither did I want to even try a sip or try a bite of their dessert, all because I've trained my senses so well, because thanks to Eknath Easwaran's programs, and it has really benefited me. Few things which I follow myself to stay calm in a situation is that I sing to myself the song by Mika called Relax, Take It Easy. I chant my mantram, or I simply step away from the situation, step aside, take in deep breaths, and then come back to it. So basically I've lived in three different cities, had 2 different jobs, and sailed through all of these completely stress-free and fearless. Having to go to a new place and everything has been very easy for me, just because this course I call is Education for a Living, which has been very beneficial for me, and I really recommend all of you to try it out.